Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start by opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Then we have to scroll down and tap on Special App Access and localize the option which is called Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Simply tap on the app, in my case Chrome, and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can also remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again, and as you can see, after getting back, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.